नमस्ते बिटिया। सदैव खुश रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो और आगे बढ़ते रहो। मैं डॉक्टर अलका जैन, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर and HOD in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So, today's topic for your lecture is depot formulations. So, first of all, you must know what is the meaning of depot. Depot is a type of injection. The administration of a sustained action drug formulation that allows slow release and gradual absorption so that the active agent can act for much longer periods than is possible with standard injections. The depot injections are usually given deep into a muscles. So क्या होता है depot injections क्या होता है कि ये बहुत लंबे समय तक इसका असर रहता है बॉडी के अंदर और ये मेनली डीप मसल्स में ही लगाया जाता है इंट्रामस्कुलर. नाउ इन द relation of contraceptive methods, what are the depot formulations? So the first one is injectable contraceptives, and mainly they are of two types. And the POP, this is progesterone only, POP is progesterone only type, and here depot formulations, it is progesterone only injectable, and the newer once a month combined injectables. Now, what comes in progesterone only injectables based on progesterones, and these are DMPS, NAT-N, and DMPA acid. DMPS means depot medroxyprogesterone acetate, and not ethisterone aminate, and DMPA acid. And the second one is combined injectable contraceptives. They contain a progesterone and estrogen. They are given at monthly intervals plus or minus 3 days. Now, what is injectable contraceptives? MPA, medroxyprogesterone acetate, and it is given under ANTRA program, and this program is run by our government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Ministry, and it is a very effective method of contraceptions injected subcutaneously or in the muscles. So this may be given as subcutaneously or in the muscles. Each dose of injectable contraceptive prevents pregnancy for 3 months. Safe methods for maintaining spacing between pregnancies, and it is currently intramuscular variety of injectable contraceptives available at government facilities free of cost. Now, how it works? These synthetic progesterone inhibit ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of gonadotropins. The gonadotropins are FSH and LH. They also thicken the cervical mucus, thereby forming a barrier to sperms. They also induce a thin endometrium less suitable for implantation. So here it works by two ways. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट जो सर्वाइकल म्यूकस है उसको बहुत ज्यादा थिक कर देता है, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है स्पर्म्स एसेंड नहीं हो पाते वेजाइनल से सर्वाइकल कैनाल में नहीं आ पाते. दूसरा क्या करता है, जो यूट्राइन की जो लाइनिंग होती है एंडोमेट्रियम वो इस तरीके से इंड्यूस करता है, उसको थिक कर देता है, थिकनेस उसकी पूरी मेंटेन हो पाती है. इसकी वजह से जो फर्टिलाइज यदि बाई चांस ओवम फर्टिलाइज हो भी गया तो वो इम्प्लांट नहीं हो पाता है. नाउ what is the time of administration? The ANTRA can be given women of any age, given during the first 5 days of menstrual period. And for a lactating mother, these injections are given as early as 6 weeks after childbirth. return of fertility, it is delayed by 4 to 6 months after stopping the drugs, and the failure rate, it is about 0.3 pregnancies per 100 women year. यानी कि यदि 1000 वुमेन के अंदर 3 वुमेन ऐसी होगी जिसमें ये मेथड फेल हो सकता है. Now, what are the merits? It is a very safe, effective, convenient and reversible method. लॉन्ग टर्म प्रेगनेंसी प्रिवेंशन, इससे बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म तक आप प्रेगनेंसी को, अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी को प्रिवेंट करके रख सकते हो. It doesn't interfere with sex and doesn't interfere with lactations. Quality and quantity of milk is not affected. Doesn't contain estrogen, so free from all the side effects of estrogen. कई बार क्या होता है ड्यूरिंग लैक्टेशन पीरियड में यदि आप ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स लेते हैं तो वो आपके लैक्टेशन को इनहिबिट कर सकती है, बट अंतरा के केस में ऐसा नहीं है. आप ड्यूरिंग लैक्टेशन पीरियड के लिए भी ये बहुत बेस्ट सुटेबल मेथड है as a contraceptive methods. Can be used by women of any age in the reproductive period, including nulliparous women. This is also another beneficial effect, as it can be given into nulliparous women, because for nulliparous women, choice may be very difficult, which one to choose, because OCP and IUDs have restricted. There is a limitation of use in nulliparous women. It helps prevent ectopic pregnancies, endometrial cancer and uterine fibroids, and it may help prevent ovarian cancer, iron deficiency anemia, and decrease the frequency of seizures among epileptic women. So it is very important or very effective method of depot formulations. Now, what are the demerits? Menstrual cycle becomes irregular once in 2 to 3 months, depending upon the type. Once in 2 months with NATN and once in 3 months with DMP. Changes in the menstrual bleeding are also likely, such as varying from light spotting to heavy bleeding. May cause weight gain of 1 to 2 kg, जिसकी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है. 1 से 2 किलो तो वैसे भी बहुत बार डाइटरी हैबिट्स चेंज करके भी अपन कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. डिलेड रिटर्न ऑफ फर्टिलिटी बाय 4 to 6 months और इवन लॉन्गर. तो इसमें इसका ये जो डिमेरिट्स है ये भी इसलिए काउंटेबल नहीं है कि यदि जिसको प्रेगनेंसी चाहिए वो इसको थोड़ा सा अर्ली इसका विड्रॉ कर सकता है इसका मेथड. और इंजेक्शंस टू बी टेकन रेगुलरली एवरी 2 to 3 months डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप, and it may cause headache, breast tenderness, mood changes, and also loss of libido. But I must say the merits are much ahead than the demerits. Now, what are the contraindications? It should not be given during pregnancy. It is not dangerous, but it is waste. During pregnancy में ये contraceptive method लगाने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. जब already pregnancy है तो उसमें contraceptive methods का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है लगाने का, चाहे कोई सा भी method हो. दूसरा है कि इसका contraindication early postpartum period within 6 weeks of delivery. After 6 weeks of delivery, it can be choice to be opt, and in suspected malignancies, PIDs and bleeding disorders. So these are the conditions where we should not advise for an antra injection. Now this is an image of a antra injections. It's a depot formulations, and it is given subcutaneously or intramuscularly deep in muscles. Now, some misconceptions are related to the use of Antra, and these are the injectable leads to infertility women. Injectables do not lead to infertility. After discontinuation of injectable contraceptives, a woman can become pregnant. Pregnancy usually occurs 7 to 10 months from last dose of injections. So यहाँ पे ये भी है कि जब से आप डिसकंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं उसके 7 से 10 महीने तक लेके के बाद में आप कंसीव कर सकते हैं. दूसरा जो मिसकंसेप्शन है वो है कि यूज ऑफ इंजेक्टेबल में लीड टू कंप्लीट सीजेशन ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड. ऐसा भी नहीं है. क्या होता है कि द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल ग्रेजुअली कम्स टू ए halt after irregular bleeding for some time. When a woman stops using injectable contraceptives, the body starts preparing for conceptions and menstrual bleeding is रिज्यूम्स। तो ये जितने भी चेंजेस है ये सारे इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस, रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस है। ऐसा नहीं है कि यदि आपने कोई भी वुमेन यदि अंतरा मेथड यूज करती है एज ए कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स, तो ये सारे चेंजेस जो आ रहे हैं वो परमानेंट हो जाएंगी, कि वो कभी आगे फ्यूचर में कभी कंसीव नहीं कर पाएगी, या उसके जो मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लीडिंग है वो हमेशा के लिए रुक जाएगी या बहुत कम हो जाएगी। ऐसा नहीं है। जब से आप इसको डिसकंटिन्यू करेंगे, कुछ टाइम बाद, कुछ पीरियड बाद में ये सब चीजें वापस से रेगुलराइज हो जाती है। इसलिए जितने भी चेंजेस है ये रिवर्सिबल है। नाउ सबडर्मल इम्प्लांट्स, दिस इज नॉर्प्लांट। पहला था अंतरा, अब दूसरा है सबडर्मल इम्प्लांट्स। ये होता है कि इट कंसिस्ट ए सेट ऑफ 6 स्मॉल सिलिकॉन रबर सॉफ्ट कैप्सूल्स अबाउट द साइज ऑफ a small match sticks, each containing 35 milligram of synthetic progesterone, which when implanted subcutaneously release the hormone slowly over a long period of time, providing contraceptive effects for at least 5 years। यानी कि एक बार इसको लगाने के बाद में 5 साल तक वुमेन फ्री रह सकती है इस टेंशन से कि कोई वो बाई चांस कंसीव ना कर ले। तो इंसर्शन इसका कैसे किया जाता है? द कैप्सूल्स आर इंसर्टेड सबक्यूटेनियसली बाय स्मॉल इंसिजन अंडर लोकल एनेस्थीसिया in the upper arm of the woman. Once inserted, they start functioning within 24 hours, and removal is also by minor surgery whenever pregnancy is desired. Effectiveness of Norplant is provided for 5 years approximately, and failure rate is 1 to 6 pregnancy per 100 women. And third one is vaginal rings. Vaginal rings containing levonorgestrel have been found to be very effective. The hormones is slowly absorbed through the mucosa, penetrating most of it bypass the digestive system and liver. Now, these are the post-conceptional methods. First one is menstrual regulation, the second one is menstrual induction, and third one is induction of abortion. What is menstrual regulations? The missed period could be due to the reasons other than pregnancy, such as psychological factors. The menstrual regulation consists of evacuation of the contents of the uterus. How it is done? This is done by using a small flexible plastic cannula of 5 to 6 diameter in association with a gynecological syringe as a source of negative pressure. The merits are it is carried out without anesthesia as an outpatient, and it is safe and simple measures by an experienced person. Demerits are the immediate complications are trauma, sepsis and perforation of uterus, and late complications are include tendency to abortions, premature labor, infertility, menstrual irregularities, and ectopic pregnancies. Now the second method is menstrual induction. ये जो method है ये post conceptual methods, यानी कि कंसीव करने के बाद में आपको किस तरीके से ये यूज में लेना है contraceptive methods. Inducing menstruation in a woman who is in early pregnancy by intrauterine application of 2.5 to 5 milligram solution of prostaglandin F2 under sedation. Within about 10 minutes, there will be sustained spasmodic contraction of the uterus lasting for 3 to 4 hours, resulting in expulsion of product of conceptions, thus terminating the pregnancies. Bleeding starts and lasts for about 5 days. Now, third method of post-conceptional method of contraceptives is induction of abortion, and it is done by terminating the pregnancy as a contraceptive method deliberately in a pregnant woman before the fetus becomes viable. This is before 28th week of pregnancy. इसके बाद में ये illegal हो जाता है. And complications of inducing abortions are hemorrhage, shock, perforation of uterus, thromboembolisms, and the late complications are infertility, ectopic pregnancies. Now, medical abortions. It is a non-surgical interventions to terminate unintended early pregnancies based on a proven regimen combining two drugs, mifepristone and misoprostol. Mifepristone is a synthetic steroid and it softens the cervix and stops pregnancy from growing. और मिसोप्रोस्टॉल का क्या रोल होता है कि ये यूट्रस में को मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है और जो प्रोडक्ट है कंसेप्शन का उसको एक्सपेल करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ इसको किस तरीके से दिया जाता है? डे 1 में 200 मिलीग्राम मिफेप्रिस्टोन ओरली, एंटी डी इफ RH नेगेटिव. डे 3 पे 3 दिन के बाद में आफ्टर थर्ड डे 400 माइक्रोग्राम मिजोप्रोस्टोल ओरली या वेजाइनली दी जाती है, उसके साथ में एनाल्जेसिक्स भी दी जाती है। 14th डे पे कंफर्म किया जाता है कि अबॉर्शन कंप्लीट हुआ या नहीं हुआ, या कोई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कंसेप्शन रह तो नहीं गए हैं। Duration of the abortion process, about 60% of the women abort within 4 hours of taking misoprostol, and the rest may abort any time in the next 7 to 10 days. Now, what are the contraindications for medical abortions? The first one is ectopic pregnancy, intrauterine device in place, cardiovascular disease, current long-term use of systemic corticosteroids, hemorrhagic disorders, allergy to mifepristone, misoprostol, or any other prostaglandin. And the side effects are nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, diarrhea, fatigue, and often fever. The warning signals are excessive bleeding, soaking more than 2 pads per hour for 2 consecutive hours, persistent fever of 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or higher, or fever beginning more than 8 hours after taking misoprostol. यदि फीवर persist रहता है तो पेशेंट सेप्टिक कंडीशन में भी जा सकता है, सेप्सिस में भी जा सकता है, सेप्टिक शॉक में भी जा सकता है. No bleeding within 24 hours after taking misoprostol, and these drugs can be given in the outpatient clinic provided there is a linkage with the facility which provides 24 hours emergency services for surgical evacuation. And the other methods of contraception are abstinence, coitus interruptus, fertility awareness based methods, lactational amenorrhea methods, non-hormonal, long-acting oral pills, birth control vaccines. Fertility awareness based methods. Educating a woman to know when the fertile time of her menstrual cycle starts and ends. Rhythm method, basal body temperature methods, cervical mucus methods, feel of the cervix, and symptothermal methods. इनकी जो फेलियर रेट है वो होती है 5 to 20 per 100 वुमेन यूजर्स, एंड ये बहुत ही सिंपल होते हैं, सेफ होते हैं, इकोनॉमिकली एंड इमीडिएटली रिवर्सिबल होते हैं. And demerits are requires a long time of about 6 months to know the shortest and longest cycle, and it requires continuous cooperation and commitment of both the partners. It is hard to use if the woman has fever, vaginal infection, or after childbirth during breastfeeding. It is not effective in irregular cycles and doesn't protect against STDs and including HIV and AIDS. In case of variations in the cycles, to know the fertile period, subtract 18 from the length of the shortest cycle. This gives the estimated first day of the fertile period. Then subtract 11 days from the length of the longest cycle, and this gives the last day of the fertile period. For example, if the recorded cycle vary from 26 to 32 days, so the shortest period is 26 and 18 is reduced from it, and the avoid sex from 8th day, and the longest period is 32, then subtract 11, so 21 can have sex from 21st day of her cycles. So the fertile period is 8th day to 21st day. Now the male contraceptive injections. The ICMR has successfully completed clinical trials of the world's first injectable male contraceptives, which has been sent to the Drug Controller General of India for approval. And the contraceptive effective is for 13 years, after which it loses its potency. The trials are over, including the extended phase 3 clinical trials, for which 303 candidates were recruited with 97.3 success rates and no reported side effects. The product can safely be called the world's first male contraceptive, said by Dr. Arish Sharma, senior scientist with ICMR, who has been spearheading the trials. The contraceptive is a polymer that has to be injected under local anesthesia in vast dose by a registered medical professional. The product called Reversible Inhibition of Sperm Under Guidance, RISUG, and it is made of a compound called styrene, maleic anhydride, RISUG. RISUG is reversible with another shot that breaks down the gel. Injectable male contraceptive will be preferred over vasectomy, and non-surgical procedures are always preferred over surgical procedures because they will be safer and less invasive. So this is all about the depot formulations, and the other methods of contraceptives, miscellaneous methods, and the male sterilization methods. Thank you. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And girls, if you have any queries, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.